Greetings, auto enthusiasts. Exciting news has surfaced about the future of the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. According to a plaque at the Mustang Owners Museum, the highly anticipated sports car is expected to be discontinued in 2023 but will make a comeback in 2025 for the 2026 model year. While this news is still speculative, it suggests that the range-topping Shelby will return in just 2 short years, which is a much shorter gap than previous generations. Recent sightings of the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 have provided some insight into its expected features. The prototype, spotted in a convertible body style, showcased a sportier look with more muscular fenders, larger carbon fiber wheels, and quad exhaust tips. It's expected to have a reworked chassis with stiffer suspension and beefier brakes, as well as upgrades to the interior, all adorned with the iconic Shelby logos. While details about the engine remain a mystery, the GT500's predecessor boasted a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 with 760 horsepower and 625 lb-ft of torque, making it a 10-second car on a good day. We can't wait to see what Ford has in store for the future of the Mustang Shelby GT500. With its expected return in 2025, we'll be eagerly anticipating updates about its performance, design, and features. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for the latest auto news and updates on this highly anticipated sports car.